no stone unturned. All that I wanted was to see you and to feel the way it used to. I would trade it all to hold you in my arms again. Can't keep waiting, waiting for what's next while the world keeps changing. I'm just hoping for the best with days so strange and headlines we never would have guessed. Looking for a way out of this mess, 'cause I can't keep waiting for what's next. I've been inside, mostly out of my mind and what to think about. I think I blocked it out. I just can't tell you why or how. I needed to take some time, think about what the world has been. Take a look back on this life and try to start again. Do you remember what it felt like when you first heard? Did your heart bite out of your chest 'cause of sadness? And we're all still stuck here waiting for what happens next. Can't keep waiting. I would have done almost anything to find my way back to you. I would have done almost anything to change the things that I did to you. 'Cause all that I wanted was to see you and to feel the way it used to. I would trade it all to hold you in my arms again. Can't keep waiting.